Look at that. Full Contact Experience 2025.
We just got the rated R touch pass out here at Terror on Route 66, and things are getting a little bit festive. We're here for their special Mardi Gras event. We had to sign a waiver, all bets are off. We're gonna take you inside with us to show you what all the fuss is about. Without further ado, let's go in and get some scares. Gotta watch out for Harry.
Oh. Fog effects, mirrors and glass, outdoor hazards, and direct interaction with actors.
Ooh.
I'm worried about the dangerous experiences. Like, what does that mean? We're gonna show you.
Hi, Blackout. So I do see everybody has the extreme pass. How's the door open?
Oh my.
Oh.
Get your leash on!
I'm sorry. So sorry.
Oh God.
So
no!
Oh, you took his leash
sorry.
off.
What the extreme pass means for you is that it is full contact, however it's not excessive. You are not allowed to be touched from the neck to the knees. That is your no-no zone. Anything beyond that, hands, arms, head, hair, lips, nose, ears, yep. Feet,
Lips?
yep. Toes, yep.
Nora, you're not allowed to touch below the neck to the knees.
And nobody's allowed to kiss me, but they are, because they can touch lips
Oh,
and
lips,
faces.
lips are all for good.
Oh, shit.
P-U-L-L push. Enjoy yourselves, my dear friends.
P-O-O.
P-U-L-L push.
Push.
Almost.
Almost.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
He needs a
I got
shorter
it.
leash. Oh.
Thank
Oh,
you.
goodness. They are ready for us. We're going into New Orleans, y'all. Oh, that's...
Wow.
That was so hard. Oh, my goodness.
It's babies.
I don't trust it. Oh. Oh.
What was that?
What is that? I don't know.
How'd she get in here?
Uh-oh.
I'm afraid.
What are you smelling us for?
I'm very afraid.
I don't like these open doors. This is weird.
What is that?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
The music intensifies.
What is that, and why is it there?
Oh, it's
God.
the bathroom.
Oh, shoot. You got a leak. This is creepy.
Mardi Gras, y'all.
Shoot. Shoot.
Oh my.
What is that? What is it? Oh my.
This is
Not disconcerting at all.
What the heck?
The idea that we haven't seen someone really scares
my
me.
goodness.
Look at that sloth.
That is a That's a big sloth. We got some mishaps in here.
Oh, God.
My bedroom.
I have no
We
idea.
really don't know.
Are you looking at my woman?
No.
Don't
No.
look at my
Oh, okay.
Yeah, get in the closet. Get
In the closet?
Closet.
Okay.
Get in the closet.
Okay, we're in the closet now.
Okay.
We're in the closet.
What is that?
Oh, shit.
What is that?
Not good.
What is that?
I don't know.
Shoes.
Uh-oh, that music's intensifying. You guys know what that means, right?
I mean, something's getting ready to happen.
No, God.
Oh, what was
The
that?
heck, I saw movement up
I
here.
did too. Ooh. Yeah.
Uh-oh, they're burning them.
Oh, God. What in the world?
Oh my.
That doesn't look right over there.
Did you enjoy the closet?
Yeah, it
It's
was.
I came
little
out of the
tight.
closet.
It was great closet therapy.
Hi.
Oh my. Is that you, Nancy?
No.
Oh.
I thought it was her too.
Are you guys ready for the ritual?
Yes, we're always
Our
ready.
ritual is dinner time.
Oh, okay.
Every day.
Yeah,
It's a good
Yes,
ritual.
we're down.
Got maggot-covered bones and bone-covered maggots.
Bone-covered maggots.
bone-covered maggots.
Quite a spread.
Yeah,
It is a very good
that
spread.
It's
must be.
I didn't
nutritious.
know myself tonight.
That's a
I'm sorry,
delicacy.
it might be just a little dusty.
Oh,
Dusty.
okay.
That's not creepy at all.
Oh my.
Rebirth.
Rebirth.
It's not as bad. Oh,
No.
God.
Oh, was that something in here?
I don't know.
Okay. I thought I saw something beside you. Oh! Shocked me.
Sorry.
I touched Nancy and it shocked me.
My bad.
I don't know what that is. Is it a horse?
I think it's
Push
a
to
horse
open.
taxidermy
Oh.
thing.
Whoa.
Oh my.
Cousin
It's
Harry
Harry.
got us. Oh, I don't
Everybody
know.
say hi, Harry.
He doesn't say hi very well, does he?
At least we have a light.
Let's go towards the screaming.
Towards the screen. Oh, we're going
Sounds
left
like it's
this
coming
time.
from here.
This is a total blackout
I think
maze,
that's a dead
guys. We
end.
can't see nothing.
Are you sure?
We do have glow sticks.
We do have glow sticks.
It's the other way.
All right, we made it out.
Oh, good. There he is again. Dang it, Harry. Somebody give him one of those damn jerkies.
He just needs some FrankenFuel.
Or
We're at
jerky.
the cemetery.
He might need some jerky.
Y'all heard that, right?
Yeah.
The heck was it?
Oh God.
Oh,
Oh,
shoot.
God, oh, God.
shoot.
You got shinies.
We got shinies.
Shinies. Amazing nest.
No.
Oh.
Nest.
Someone
You
has
got
a
No,
nest.
I don't have any nest. From the Major Cemetery. Come back for more. Oh God, it's a nesting, buddy. Oh God.
Hi, you want a bite?
Nope.
Oh God.
Who wants their brain tickled?
Brain tickle? I'm gonna pass.
Not it.
I'm
Not
gonna
it.
pass on the brain tickle.
Kayla does.
Which one's Kayla?
That one.
Kayla needs a brain tickle, yeah. Oh, that looks kind of nice, actually.
What you don't know is he's sucking your soul.
Yeah, right, okay.
Oh, that is nice. Yeah.
Nora got her brain tickled. At Terror on Route 66.
I don't know if that one has a brain, though. I didn't feel anything.
Oh.
Well, hello.
Oh.
Oh God.
Creeping.
Harder?
Harder. Okay.
God.
Oh God. Oh. I like chains.
How
Yeah.
like whips and chains.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, she just consented to something.
Were you a Girl Scout? Because I can tell.
I think we're maybe losing Nancy.
Uh-oh. Oh, they took Nancy.
We're losing her.
They took Nancy. Oh my. She seems really agitated. Oh God. They know your name. Oh! There's Harry!
We're gonna make sure you don't.
Oh no. They sound like they've been conspiring.
No.
My. Oh!
Oh my God. Oh my God.
We got Nancy back.
It's me.
Oh!
It's me. Okay.
No, she's gone again.
Oh my God.
Oh! Oh, good. Right. Is that a bear?
Oh God, what is that? Oh hi.
It's a clown. Oh! That can't be good. You see?
And no ice.
Oh, he's another brain sucker. He's hiding in the carnival booth.
Man bear.
And she's out of the carnival booth. Oh my.
What?
She gonna give us a haircut? Oh!
Stab! Isn't this fun?
Oh God! Oh God!
Oh no, I won't. I would never trust Smelly Pete.
Oh, hey, don't step on my foot.
Huh?
Let me help
Oh my. Nope. We don't need any help.
You saw it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Not fair.
Let me out, please. They won't let me out. Let me out, please.
Hello.
We don't have the key.
Let me out of here.
We don't have the key. They don't look good.
Oh God.
Oh my.
Whoa.
My. Little step.
It's a party, isn't it?
All the balloons.
Shut up! No one told me to talk! You're losing her voice box tonight!
So am I.
Feel better than stronger.
It's debatable.
There's so many colors.
What are you doing down there? What in the world?
Maybe some other time, eh?
Sounds like we're walking in on something.
What's that, Nora? The human cocoons experiment? What a living specimen! Which
Nope.
one?
Nope.
Which one?
Nope. Nope.
We're gonna pass.
Nose
Nose goes.
Oh, nose goes.
Nope. Nope.
Your nose can go on him.
No, he looks like he needs one. Good night. He's been doing some work, all right.
Oh my God. Hi.
Oh God. Oh God. Oh my. Oh God. Oh my.
Whoever knew Mardi Gras would be so creepy.
Don't leave my patients hungry.
Oh my.
Oh no.
Just try the shot.
Nope.
Nope. No shot.
I don't believe you.
That's not Jesus.
That's not Jesus.
Okay. Wait. Hold up.
First left. Don't trip. If you trip and fall, I will laugh. That first left.
The first
It's the same
lift.
thing.
They're making us go back through again.
Okay.
See, we shouldn't have took that doctor's treatment.
See, what happened is we did and we didn't know it.
He's a sneaky doctor.
Don't you let her out!
Oh God.
Back again, are we?
Back again.
Not quitting yet.
No, not quitting yet.
I think that doctor gave us that treatment, and now we can't escape.
Oh, that doctor.
That's deja vu.
Yep.
Mardi Gras deja vu. What is that?
Meets
Yeah,
a
right?
mermaid.
Kinda looks like a
Mummified
mermaid. Oh no, not the shot.
Come on, don't you want a shot?
No, I'm okay.
It goes in your eye.
Oh, it goes in my
Oh,
even
God.
worse.
Feels
No.
good.
No.
Just a little prick and then you end up like that.
Oh.
Yeah, that doesn't feel. That looks like it doesn't feel good.
It's like deja vu, isn't it?
It's something like
Okay.
that. Oh my. Oh my.
Oh my.
You like my tires?
Yeah.
Not going that way. Wow.
That really got me good.
That one lit
Ow.
off right now.
Oh! What are you doing in there?
Oh God. Does anybody else hear that maniacal laugh?
Yeah, right over here. Jesus! Oh my God!
All right, guys, that was Terror on Route 66 here for their special Mardi Gras event. Let us know what you thought. That was even better than the last time we were here. Make sure you come out and see them during the haunt season. Tell them the Scare Factor sent you. And if you enjoyed this one, you're really going to enjoy the darkness. I've got it linked for you right here. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.